So this is Salvia Clevelandii Japatul Cleveland Sage. So the regular standard Cleveland Sage gets about 5 feet tall by 5 feet wide. This one, which looks exactly the same, is 3 feet tall by 4 feet wide. So it is a shorter version. And it does smell heavenly, just like the standard Cleveland Sage. And it will take full sun to filtered sun. It needs very little water. Flowers in the spring and summer. And much like the Cleveland Sage, you could use this drying some leaves in a sash and using it in the dryer, or bringing some of the leaves in for air freshener, or taking a leaf and putting it in a lit candle.